how to fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger. So if you want to fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. Now once you open up your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for Messenger. Now once you've searched for Messenger, if you have any updates on your Messenger, you just need simply go and update it. Make sure to update it to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the next step, that is to clear the cache and data of Messenger. So here we just need simply go back and then simply long press and hold onto your Messenger application. Now here you need to tap on app info. From the app info, you need to scroll down and you will find storage and cache. Tap on it and then clear the cache. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go and restart your device. Just go back and then press and hold on to your power button and you'll have restart or power off option. You just need simply go and restart. Once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply open up your Messenger application and then go with the menu which is on the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And now you need to go with settings, which is here on the top. And then you will find an option of privacy and safety. Tap on it. And now here, make sure that you're logged in with Messenger and also make sure that your device is linked correctly. And if something looks off, just log out and log back in. And with that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go and reinstall your application. Just delete the application that you have right now. You'll have remove option or uninstall option. Go and uninstall the application. And then again, go with your Play Store and then search for Messenger and install the application. If you reinstall, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.